Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a twofer. Here we have 66 Nova body only. I'll go ahead and open that one up real quick. I don't even know what kind of box this is. Just a random box, I guess. I found it fit a body in there. Yep, there it is. That's what was left of one of the kits. What I did was, back in the day, I bought from the company Jimmy Flintstone, who did resin bodies and that. I purchased a station wagon 66 Nova and used the 66 Nova SS kit for all the bottom pieces and everything, because what you got from Jimmy was just the station wagon body. I'll try and add a picture of the finished kit here right about now. And this is the body that I originally intended to put on that kit, but when I saw that there was a station wagon available, I thought, oh, that's got to be way cool. So I ordered that and built it up and detailed it a little bit. But here's the spare body that's basically been sitting in this box since the 80s. I know that for a fact. So that was that. I'll just go ahead and put that back away. Maybe one day I'll do something with it. Maybe I'll make a dragster out of it or something. And then the main kit for this video is the 57 Nova. 57 Nomad. I'm looking right at it and I still said Nova. 57 Nomad with the roof removed. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos on the 55 Nomad that I turned into an El Camino, this kit, I think, was in that video also, because this kit, back in the mid-70s, I decided I was going to turn a 57 Chevy Nomad into an El Camino, and this is the kit that got me started on doing that. So a lot of you will recognize it. Go. Got all them extra parts. Well, here's the gist of it. It was a regular Nomad, and then I obviously chopped the roof off, the whole roof, along with the C pillars. I guess that would be A pillar, B, C. The C pillars that went back here, which are, I think, right here. Yeah, this I believe was the that should line right up. Yeah, that was the C pillars that were the back of the roof section, and here's the rest of the roof section, which went something like that. Oh yeah, you can see where the decals still line up to it. But yeah, that went there, and then the little roof piece went back there. I don't know if I cut a chunk out or not. I think that's the whole deal right there. Yep. Cut it out, turned it into an El Camino, but then it dawned on me, hey, there's an interior back here, so it's going to be kind of weird. And then at the time, you know, I was 11 or 12 years old when I did this, and I couldn't comprehend how to make the back part of the cab here without interfering with leg room for the passengers that would sit in the rumble seat, I guess you'd call it, in that area. So I was trying, but not thinking hard enough, I guess, back in the day. There's leaf springs. There's the bottom. Don't mind the fancy paint job there. It actually looks better on camera than it does in person. Yeah. And here's the hood scoop. Oh, the hood scoop's right here. That was a snorkel type scoop. Went there, and I think that's attached. The engine was a dual carb with the offset carburetors. I think it was a 327 in there. Yeah, that lined up like that. I thought it was pretty slick back in the day. You know, this was before custom cars and all that stuff was really popular. I just decided one day I'd like to see a 57 El Camino. Have one, you know, 2 years before they were actually built in the factory. And here's the rear glass that would go back here, obviously. Let's see if you can see that. You know, so I didn't really have a plan on how that would work. It's just spare parts now, along with the roof section. This piece that was originally the very back, I was going to use somehow to round that off, but that wouldn't have worked. And here's a custom front end. I thought I'd put that on there. Old 57 Chevy. Custom thing with a different grill in the front, which I believe, yeah, it's right here. I think. Maybe not. No, that doesn't fit. I thought I was using that. Whoop, keep dropping. There we go. One of them deals. You know, put it along the front there. I thought that would look pretty neat. Rear bumper. Standard bumper. I didn't do anything with that. Here's the windshield. Boy, that's messed up pretty good, but whatever, you know. And some spindles, it looks like. I don't know, maybe I was planning on using these to put the front wheels on, I'm pretty sure. With this kind of suspension piece that was broken. Yep. There's no tires in here. No wheels or tires. That's what's missing. Huh. Alright. I hadn't gotten that far, I guess. Oh, but I did manage to find a little pair of tin snips or metal scissors, whatever you call them, shears, or whatever they are. Thought those were pretty cool. That would have been neat to have just sitting in the back of the vehicle. Here's what was the rear end and ladder bars. 2 ladder bars. Leaf spring for the back. And the other side. And then the tail light bezels, which are pretty distinctive to a 57. And there it is, folks. That's what was going on in my 11 and 12-year-old mind. So I hope you enjoyed that one. As always, I thank you so much for stopping by. Have yourselves a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.